When you talk about starting a business, you want to start off with a strong foundation. Now, you could open up an LLC, a sole proprietor. They also say you should make at least $50,000 before you start with a corporation. But based off my experience, as long as you do the right thing and open up the right type of foundation, you will always have the right structure in place. So with that being said, the Structure Selector Pro will guide you in forming a corporation so that way you can have something that's perpetual, something that's going to live long after you are gone. So as we know, there are different types of business structures. There's sole proprietors, there's LLCs, and there's also two types of corporation. Each one determines how you pay taxes and who you have to share your dividends with, and how you actually going to have to pay yourself, if you have to pay yourself as an employee in the business, or if you take money as an owner as distribution. So those are the different types of ways you could actually form your business. And the best business structure to me will be a corporation. You have a C Corp, which can have unlimited investors. So you could be the next tech company like Apple or Google, or you can have an S Corp and then just open up your business to 100 investors. So that way you can invest some good money into your business to live that life of freedom that you actually looking for. And the second thing, you got to understand what type of bank accounts to open, how many bank accounts you need to open, and what these bank accounts should be structured for. Next, after you form your corporation, we're going to show you how you get your EIN. Most people pay to get the EIN, $250 or maybe $1,500 from LegalZoom. It's 100% free, and I'll give you the steps on exactly how to do so. Then after that, we're going to show you what type of bank accounts to open, why you need to open it, and why you should structure your accounts these way, and how you can filter your money throughout all these accounts. So inside of the Structure Selector Pro, we're going to show you exactly how to form the corporation, get your EIN, and what type of bank accounts you need to have. So that way you start off with a strong foundation. When I first started my business, I was stuck in between forming an LLC or a corporation until I started doing further research to find out why I should start off with a corporation. That is the route I chose. And in order for me to select to be an S Corp, I had to fill out IRS Form 2553. So what are three common struggles most entrepreneurs have before they even start their business? The first one is not understanding the different types of business structures and what these types of business structures are, how they affect you when it comes to paying taxes, do you have to pay yourself as an employee, and all these other little details within each one of these business structures. It can be very confusing. And the second thing, with all that overwhelm, they're not understanding what type of business structure is actually best for them. So this is the one-page Structure Selector cheat sheet. I will leave a link in the description so you can download this cheat sheet. I want you to stay on track when you go to register your corporation, form your EIN, and also understand the type of bank accounts you need to open and why you need to open them. So I want to step back and let you look at the whole entire program of the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint. The Structure Selector Pro is only step one inside of the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint. There are 8 other steps that you need to take to understand how to start, grow, and operate an actual fire alarm company. So if you're ready to start and learn how to grow your actual fire alarm company, click the link below, book a call. In just 30 minutes, we'll understand exactly where you are, how we can help you, and see if you're a good fit for the Structure Selector Pro. So don't wait. Click the link in my description, and I'll catch you on the other side.